The first step to using the Lumerin Hashpower Marketplace is getting the app that will allow you to use it in the most secure way possible, the Lumerin wallet. You can download it at lumerin.io/download. Here you can choose which machine you are running on, a Mac, Windows, or Linux. I am using a Mac, so I will click Mac with Apple chip. If you are on a Mac, then you will need to hold Control and click the app to open it. You may have to Control click the app twice to open it. This may trigger a following warning on your OS when you execute the app. This is because our app is still in beta and not yet verified by Microsoft or Apple. After you open the app, you can read and accept the terms and conditions. Make sure you set yourself a strong password that you can write down or can remember. Then make sure to copy your recovery mnemonic and place it somewhere that is safe. In the next step, you paste your recovery phrase and hit done. Next, you will have to configure your own Lumerin node with the pull address that you want to use as default. This pull address will automatically redirect all the hash power acquired on the Lumerin marketplace. If you do not have a pull address, then you will need to create a pool account to route your hash rate. You could use pools like F2 pool, Brains pool, or even Titan Lightning pool. After you copy the pool that you want your hash rate redirected to, you can paste it in your pool BTC URL. The next step is to use ngrok to set up port forwarding, which is one of the most crucial steps in this process, making sure that our marketplace is decentralized. Head on over to ngrok.com where you can download ngrok. After you download ngrok for your operating system, follow the instructions that are on ngrok's website. Use your terminal and the commands that ngrok gives you to install ngrok. Your terminal should look something like this with a new forwarding address. Keep that open for later as we will need it when we are purchasing our Hashpower contracts. Now we are going to see how to bridge your LMR to Arbitrum to enjoy higher transaction speeds and lower fees. Once you connect your wallet to bridge.arbitrum.io, you'll land on the Arbitrum Bridge interface. Here, select the Ethereum mainnet as the From network. This should be the default setting. Then click on the Ethereum symbol. This will open the drop-down menu where you could select the token that you want to bridge to Arbitrum. Search for LMR to import it. When importing LMR, make sure that you double-check on your token contract address. Now select the amount of LMR you want to move to Arbitrum. We recommend that you migrate your entire balance so that you can use it on the Lumerin Hashpower Marketplace. You can easily do this by clicking the Max button on the right. When you enter your amount, the Arbitrum bridge will show you an estimate of gas fees you'll have to pay for the transaction. If you're happy with the fees, click the Move Funds to Arbitrum 1 button. A transaction request will pop up on your wallet. Confirm it to approve the transaction. Once the transaction goes through, you're all set. Your funds will be moved to the same wallet address on the Arbitrum network. A very important thing to note, please be aware that migrating your LMR tokens from Arbitrum back to the Ethereum mainnet is a 7-day process. This is an immutable condition set by the Arbitrum bridge. Make sure that your wallet supports the Arbitrum 1 network. If this is your first time using Arbitrum, you'll have to add it to your wallet in order to use it. You can easily add Arbitrum to your wallet from the same Arbitrum bridge site that we were using before. To do this, simply connect your wallet and change the network to Arbitrum. This will prompt a request in your wallet provider, asking you to confirm the network addition. Click on the Approve button to confirm, and that's it. You will now be able to access your wallet on the Arbitrum network by selecting it on the top left menu of your wallet interface. Now you're all ready to start purchasing Hashpower contracts on the Lumerin marketplace. First, you will need to send yourself some LMR and some Ethereum, so open up your wallet and copy your wallet address. Then open up your wallet and make sure that you are on the Arbitrum network and send yourself some LMR and Ethereum for gas fees. Now let's look at the marketplace and purchase a Hashpower contract. If you were to try to purchase a Hashpower contract without adjusting your port forwarding information, then you will be met with this error message. To fix this, simply click Edit Order, and then go to the validator address and click Edit. Now go back to your terminal and copy the forwarding address information that you need to paste into the validator address. Once you've updated your validator address, click Review Order. You should be met by a green check mark letting you know that your node is configured to properly receive inbound hash rate. And all you have to do now is click Confirm Purchase. You should be able to see hash rate flowing into your pool within a few moments. This is the Lumerin Hashpower Marketplace. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments and enjoy buying Hashpower in a truly decentralized way.